Hi everyone!
So what we got here is my new iPhone 11 Pro.
iPhone 11 Pro.
Yeah.
Right.
Look how they packaged this. From China.
I would say they packaged it pretty for me because you might with the phone. Yeah, with an item like this, it should have some. But they take it down pretty good. You can't lose it.
I pre-ordered this regardless of the fact that I'm doing this 2 weeks after, or 3 weeks after the first date of release. Yep, I was 5 minutes late and it cost me 2 weeks. Midnight green. Midnight green.
Is that how they call this?
No, this is the new color.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, midnight green. 256 gigabytes. This tab. I mean, you guys probably already saw a bunch of those unboxing videos anyways. And we're not a tech channel either.
Oh, and this is our first time filming an unboxing video, right?
Feels smooth, yeah.
Alright. Actually, I want to take the smell, like after unboxing it, because
okay,
personally
yeah,
I like the smell of an Apple product.
Wait, it smells?
It's
Oh yeah.
It's
Dude, there's
personal
definitely
preference.
a smell,
Yeah.
dude. Look at this. See, I gotta say, I know a lot of my friends will say, like, why are you spending so much money buying Apple product? But
Jack, this is for you.
yes.
And
Oh, this is another thing I was kind of excited for. USB-C.
USB-C. Nice.
Yeah, there's nothing to see there. The cable and these three things. I was actually pretty excited.
To be honest, this doesn't look that awkward.
See?
How did I say that? Tri-camera?
Yeah, 3 cameras.
3 cameras.
And also, I already have my case ready, Apple case, and I bought this with my own money. Yep, I already got the protective glass case.
Wait, did they bring back the audio jack?
No.
What's
No
that?
audio jack. This is
Oh, okay.
the lightning port.
Oh, I see.
Alright. I was waiting for this moment. Clear case. You know how much they cost? $40.
Oh, you should let me guess.
Hey, I know. Like on Amazon, you could probably get something similar for like what, like $5 or $9. But hey, if I'm spending this much money on the phone, let me spend that extra for the case. You can hate all you want.
Oh, did this come from Apple too?
Yeah. See?
Wow.
They sent me the case.
You really got the whole package.
Yeah, I really got the whole package. Alright, I powered on all by itself, I think, because of the case.
Oh, it's not brand new anymore. It sounds like Jake and Lee now.
I know, it's owned by me. Look at this. Hello.
Swipe up. Oh, it's not. What? What? No. It's not? No. No, I can't reach it. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have put the case on because I need to remove SIM out of that. Yeah, I think it's
Oh, I can make one. Okay.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will.
I never use a phone with Face ID feature.
Why?
This doesn't have a Face ID feature. Face ID feature. Face ID feature. Shit. That's the difference with this and that. I can just play around with it.
Move your head slowly to complete the circle.
Wow. The future is now.
It's basically the fingerprint. I don't. Oh wait, will it read my hair too? Because I'm gonna change this style. I don't think that should be a concern now. Okay, it's set up. It's pretty quick. Oh, that's quick. Let's see if it looks like. Damn it.
Said they upgraded this from the previous generation.
think you'll have to hold it up, like,
Seriously?
Yeah.
You can't put it on the table and do it?
because they won't assume that you're not using the phone.
Oh. What's the point of this then? Okay. Alright. Well, I'm happy. Well, I am happy. Regardless of my hairstyle.
Well, alright guys, this is our unboxing for today. And see you next time if we have something new.